dear students, welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in the maths class. This class is for standard 1st, semi-English, Urdu. Dear students, are you enjoying this math class? I know you are enjoying now. Very good. So, let's learn maths with more fun. Are you ready? तो चलिए सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, बेल आइकन को दबाते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक करते हैं और शेयर करते हैं. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी लर्न टू आइडेंटिफाइंग शेप्स. आर यू रेडी? लेट्स स्टार्ट. Look at this picture. There are many triangles, many rectangles and many circles. What you have to do, you have to count the objects of these shapes and write their numbers. First, we will count rectangles. Are you ready? Shall we start? Let's start counting. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Here 11 rectangles are here. So we will write down 11 here. Next shape is triangle. Let's count how many triangles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 triangles. Isn't it? Right. Next object is circle. Let's count circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 circles. Understood? Very good. So, dear students, we will meet in the next video. Keep learning. Thanks for watching.